Hello everyone. Heartiest welcome to biology classes of Sodhar College with Dr. Mohini Mohan Bora. Now I am going to discuss on the digestive system of earthworm. The digestive system of earthworm is consist of a simple straight alimentary canal and 4 digestive glands. কেঁচুৰ পাচন তন্ত্ৰটো এটা সৰল খাদ্যনলী আৰু পাচক গ্ৰন্থিৰ দ্বাৰা গঠিত হৈছে and now let us draw me the digestive system of earthworm. The first part of the alimentary canal is called mouth. It is present in the first segment of the body. Mouth is crescentic in shape বা কাঁচি আকৃতিৰ অংগ. মুখৰ পিছৰ বহল অংশটোক বাকেল কেভিটি বা মুখ গহ্বৰ বোলে. বাকেল কেভিটি extend up to the middle of third segment. ই খাদ্য গ্ৰহণ কৰি প্ৰসাৰণ আৰু সংকোচনৰ দ্বাৰা পাছৰ অংশলৈ পঠিয়াই দিয়ে. বাকেল কেভিটি is followed by pharynx বা টেটু. It lies in the middle of third to the fourth segment. The wall of the pharynx is muscular বা পেশীযুক্ত. Outside the pharynx, there are pharyngeal gland or salivary glands. Pharyngeal glands are made of chromophil cells that produce mucin for lubrication of food. It also contains proteolytic enzyme which can digest some proteins. Pharynx act as pump for feeding. The next part of the pharynx is called esophagus বা গ্ৰাফনলী বোলে. esophagus 5th segmentত আৰম্ভ হৈ 7th segmentত লৈকে থাকে. A prominent oval hard thick wall muscular organ lying in the 8th and 9th segment is called gizzard বা পেশনী বোলে. পেশনীৰ বেৰখন প্ৰসাৰণ আৰু সংকোচনৰ ফলত খাদ্যবস্তুবোৰ গুৰি হৈ সূক্ষ্ম কণালৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন হয়. The next part of the alimentary canal from the 9 to the 14th segment is called stomach বা পাকস্থলী বোলে. Earthworms feed decaying leaves and organic matter. It also engulfs soil rich in humus. The calciferous gland of the stomach neutralize the humic acid. পাকস্থলীত কেলচিফেৰাছ গ্লেণ্ড থাকে বা চূৰ্ণ গ্ৰন্থি থাকে আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা ওলোৱা এনজাইম বা পাচক ৰসে খাদ্যৰ লগত দেহত সোমোৱা মাটিত থকা হিউমিক এচিডক প্ৰশমিত কৰি পাচন বা ডাইজেশ্যনত সহায় কৰে. তদুপৰি ষ্টমাক সিক্ৰেটছ প্ৰটিঅলাইটিক enzymes. Intestine starts from 15th segment and continues till the last segment. 15 নম্বৰ খণ্ডৰ পৰা অন্তৰ্ভাগ আৰম্ভ হৈ দেহৰ শেষৰ খণ্ডলৈকে বিস্তৃত হৈ থাকে. In 26th segment, a pair of conical outgrowth on either side of intestine are given up are called intestinal cica বা আন্তৰিক চিকা বোলে. This secret digestive fluid containing amylolytic type of enzyme. The lining of the intestine is folded to form villi. One of the villi after 26th segment is become larger than the others is called typhlosole. Typhlosole runs mid-dorsally from 27th segment and ends in 93 or 95 segment in front of anus. Intestineৰ পৃষ্ঠাংশৰ বেৰখন দীঘে দীঘে ভিতৰলৈ সোমাই এটা দীঘলীয়া পেশীৰ গদি সৃষ্টি কৰিছে আৰু ইয়াক টিফ্লছল বোলে. টিফ্ল'ছল ইনক্ৰিজ দ্য এফেক্টিভ এৰিয়া অফ এবজৰ্পশ্যন, অৰ্থাৎ ই অন্তৰকালি বৃদ্ধি কৰাৰ লগতে খাদ্য শোষণ কাৰ্যতো সহায় কৰে। নাও দ্য ইণ্টেষ্টাইনেল ৰিজন কেন বি ডিষ্টিংগুইছড ইনটু 3 ৰিজনছ ফ্ৰম 15 to 26 segment is called pre-tiflosolar region. Tiflosolar region extend from 27 segment up to about last 23 to 25 segment in front of anus. Post-tiflosolar region is present in posterior last 23 to 25 segment in front of anus where there is no tiflosol. It stores fecal matters. The glandular cells of intestinal epithelium secretes an intestinal fluid which contains amylolytic, proteolytic, and lipolytic enzymes. Digested foods are absorbed by the entire epithelium and tiflosol. The last part of the alimentary canal is anus বা পায়ু. The undigested food pass through the anus in the form of worm casting বা কেঁচুমতা হৈ পায়ুদি বাহিৰলৈ উলিয়াই দিয়ে. Let me repeat the main points of the digestive system again. Digestive system of earthworm is consist of a simple straight alimentary canal and 4 digestive glands. It consists of well-defined region. Mouth is present in the first segment called peristomium, below the prostomium. It is followed by buccal cavity up to middle of third segment. From the middle of third to the fourth segment is pharynx. Next part is esophagus from 5 to 7 segment. Gizzard is present in 8 and 9 segment. In 9 to 14 segment is stomach that contain calciferous glands. Behind 14 segment, stomach is followed by long, wide, tubular, thin-walled intestine from 15 segment up to about 100 segment. In 26 segment, 2 intestinal ceca are present. From 27 segment, tiflosolar region start and it runs posteriorly and ends in 93 or 95 segment in front of anus. Last 23 to 25 segment is called post-tiflosolar region or rectum, and it opens by a terminal aperture of the last segment is called anus. That is all about the digestive system of earthworm. Thank you for your attention.